This 2019 Jayco Jay Flight 29RLDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 33 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, skylight, DVD player, LP detector, refrigerator, awning, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, external shower, oven, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Jayco Jay Flight 29RLDS is 6,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.